A very warm and graceful good morning to one and all present here. I, Aradhya Vankade, the student of class 5th, got opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly. Every day is an inspiring day to enhance our mind. I would like to call Abhinav to say thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. I am Abhinav Shinde. Thought of the day. Success is journey, not a destination. Thank you.
Thank you Abhinav. To increase our vocabulary, I would like to call Ananya to say word of the day.
Good morning. Word of the day. First, front tire. The spelling of front tire is Frontiei. The meaning of front tire is border. Second, idle. The spelling of idle is Idle. The meaning of idle is lazy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Ananya. Let us know from Abhinav what is happening around our globe.
News headlines. First, national. PM Modi to President Putin talk over the phone. President Putin to PM Modi will skip the G20 meet. Second, international. Militants from Gaza then enter Israel by water, land and air by using some paragliders, the IDF said. Thank you.
Thank you Abhinav. To increase our knowledge, I would like to call Anuj to ask GK questions.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anuj Joshi. GK questions. First, what is the formula of sodium chloride?
What is the chemical formula of sodium chloride?
The correct answer is NaCl. Second, a boot India divide is written by.
A book India Divide is written by that. किसने लिखी है इंडिया डिवाइड ये बुक?
The correct answer is Rajendra Prasad sir. Third, for primary. What is the color of sun? Wrong answer. The correct answer is orange. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Anuj. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.